cut this thing open. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Hopefully I can do this quickly. This thing's gonna look like. The box. Whoa! The box is getting opened.
Oh, I'm opening the box. All right. Slide out the part. What do you got? Hey, I got some stickers.
Oh yeah!
Ooh, my stickers.
Stickers.
Oh,
all
that's
right.
cute.
Here's the goodies.
And it says Dream Automotive.
Yeah.
What's the other sticker?
Dream
Automotive, thank you.
Yeah,
I want this one. That's pretty. You should put that on your car. Oh, you got two. Look.
Sweet.
One for me and one for you.
All right, now we're gonna go install this. Thing looks pretty high quality. And it's got the red weave in there.
It's kind of sunny. Oh, let me try to get close. Can you see that red?
Looks nice.
Oh, I got the red on your tires too.
And then what
Wheels.
Lisa, we're gonna be putting it right where that silver little part of the interior is.
Okay.
So that's gonna get basically thrown right on top.
Okay. All right, go ahead, Matthew.
All right, let's grab a microfiber.
Preload it up.
A little bit. Yeah.
Already in the glove box.
Move that off, and we'll just
Matt
be real
loves his
careful
microfiber
here.
towels. So what are you wiping down?
Just this little silver part right here, just to make sure it'll stick real good to the adhesive.
Was it grimy anyways?
No, it's pretty much brand new. I try not to touch it, but this should just help with all that.
Dust and debris.
Actually, yeah, I'm a little hungry. Bet you're ready to try your jalapeno poppers.
What are you gonna make for dinner?
Some garbanzo beans or some pizza. I don't know.
Steak? What happened to steak?
Well, we're having. Well, maybe I don't know.
Did you make steak the other day?
No.
You asked if you should, and I thought you should.
I just ate food I had here to save money since I spent money on this.
Didn't you do like 100 push-ups?
Basically.
And that was
I
why
only did 50 today.
Deserved a steak for
So
doing
that's
100
gonna be.
push-ups.
What do you think? Like this? Because you got silver, 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 silver.
Too much.
But then
Yeah,
it's
fuck
like,
yeah, black mode.
yeah.
Dark mode.
And then I'm gonna get the carbon fiber wing that matches that. So.
Okay.
So yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm gonna take all this tape off. And
Can you show us the back? All the adhesives.
this is a
Those
genuine.
are like 7-8 adhesives that are in red tape you have to take off.
Yeah, and then we have the little Honda OEM sticker because this is a genuine product.
Ooh,
So.
let's zoom in on that. Come here, let me see that.
I don't think that has zoom
I want to
in,
see
so.
it. You were like, ooh, look, genuine Honda part.
Booyah.
Heck yeah.
It
Okay.
might be zooming in. We'll see.
All right.
All right, got it all cleaned up. Got most of the red tags off, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, I have it installed. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good.
Are you ready for me to record? Annie.
Awesome. Look at this awesome garden.
Garden.
She did all this.
Oh,
The garden.
my garden.
Tomatoes.
My super late tomatoes. If you're interested, there's 4, to me, giant tomatoes on my super late tomatoes in a freaking pot. There goes the car into the garage. Baby, go sleep tonight. Liminal driveway. Recycling bins and trash cans and clouds. In the garage will probably stay open for a little while just to air it out. Matthew? Matthew! Oh, I lost him. And the garden, here's the rest of it. Like 7 plants. Matthew?
Yeah.
How long are you gonna leave the garage open for?
I'll probably shut it now since.
Oh, you're not gonna let your baby breathe?
No, it's not too hot. All right, y'all, car's back in the garage where it's nice and safe. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll check y'all later. I think the next thing I'll probably be getting is a carbon fiber piece right here, but probably have to save for a few weeks. I just got a part-time job so I can buy more car parts. So, all right, y'all, peace out and have a great day.